Hi, my editor friends. Today I'm going to share a free pack for editing, which contains everything you need to edit trending videos. It's about 40 plus GB in size. Make sure to watch the video to learn how to get it. Okay, let's jump onto the computer screen. First, open the link tree from the description, and then open this link. It will open this page. You have to verify the 3-step process. Every time you have to wait for 15 seconds. If you face any problems in this process, you can send me an email and I will send you the link. But I will really appreciate it if you get the link from here. Okay? I will speed up the video. As you can see on Google Drive, you can download the file, and it's absolutely free. Now let me show you what you will get in this pack, and then I will end the video. This is for today, friends. I will continue to upload more videos like this. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.